Let's take a look at how to use the remote. First of all, notice that the buttons are lit up when they are active, and just above the buttons, on the lower part of the screen, there are labels which indicate what the function of each button is. So, to turn the heater on, just press the button labelled on. The middle button then lights up to show that it is active and is labelled OK. Press this button to confirm the on command and the remote will be ready to control the heater. The top right corner of the screen shows the signal strength between the remote and the appliance. The screen includes all the information needed to control the fire: the current room temperature, whether or not the lock function is activated, the current temperature setting or flame level setting, the fan status, the time and the date. There are 3 different modes for controlling the fire. Let's start by looking at the manual mode, which allows direct control over the flame level. The current setting is indicated in black, and if we press the up arrow, the setting changes to low. When the fire responds to this instruction, the actual setting, shown on the left of the screen, will also change to low. Once the highest setting is reached, the up arrow disappears and only the down arrow is visible, which can be used to lower the flame level. To return to the main screen, press back. The main screen also gives access to automatic mode, which allows us to set a fixed temperature. Having selected the temperature we want, we can go back to the main screen and the fire will then turn on until the desired temperature is reached. Once the set temperature is reached, the fire will stop heating and go into pilot mode. The third mode for controlling the fire is the program mode. To activate the program mode, we need to go into the menu system and then the Adjust menu, where we can enter various information which is required by the program mode, such as the comfort temperature, which is the higher temperature setting during programmed control, or the night temperature, the lower setting during programmed control. To modify the program times, select Change Program. There are 8 different programs available: the daily program, which is repeated every day, or 7 individual programs for each day of the week. The different programs can be accessed by pressing Change, to go from daily to Monday to Tuesday, and so on. To modify a particular program, press the down arrow to activate the schedule graphic, and then use the horizontal arrow to go to the hour slot which you wish to change. When the hour slot is flashing, its setting can be modified by pressing Change. A low bar in the hour slot means that the night temperature is set. A high bar means that the comfort temperature is selected for that hour. When you finish making changes to the program settings, you just need to activate the program mode, and this is done by returning to the menu, selecting the option Program, and then pressing Change to turn the program mode on. Back at the main screen, we can see that the remote is in program mode and also whether the current setting is the night temperature or the comfort temperature. The remote can also be configured for simple use. By pressing the off button for 40 seconds, the configuration menu can be accessed. Here, various options can be enabled or disabled, such as the automatic mode, program mode, or the fan option. If all options are disabled, which is what I'm doing now, this means that the remote will offer the simplest interface for the user, control in manual mode only, and access to basic settings such as the date and time. And of course, the heater may be turned on and off by using the off button.